YouTube family, what's happening? It's your boy, Bull City Dasher, and we back with another video. Let's get it started, man. It's Sunday night. We're gonna do a quick little dinner shift, trying to finish the week strong. I was sitting at like $8.99 for the week on DoorDash. I was like, nah, man, I can make that 1,000 for sure. So I'm gonna come out here and get this little $100 real quick, hopefully, and be on back at the house. Yeah. Let's go get this order picked up. Let's get this thing started, man. Let's get it. Ready. We got a DoorDash for Doug T. Appreciate you, sir. How you doing? Oh, thank you. Have a good one. All right, family, we got us another order. I looked at this order probably the whole minute. I finally went on and decided to accept it. It's 15 bucks. I can't turn 15 bucks down right now. I'm just trying to make $100. It might take me 3 more orders to get that 15 bucks, depending on how DoorDash is feeling. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it. Try to get it knocked out as quick as possible. It's Sunday night. It's not a lot of traffic on the road, so I feel like I can knock it out pretty quick as long as it's ready. They don't look too busy in there, but you just never know with a pizza place. So we're gonna go in here and see if it's ready, try to get it knocked out as quick as possible. Keep this thing moving, man. We just need to get this $100 tonight. That's it, I ain't asking too much. Let's get it. How you doing? DoorDash for Twilla. I got 2 more. Only if they ask for. I appreciate it. All right, gang, 6.2 miles. Let's get these things knocked out, man. Nothing. Let's get it. How y'all doing? All right.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Y'all have a good one. Thank y'all. All right, y'all, we got us another order. and hit me with another one of these $15 10-mile joints, I'm going in here to get this thing picked up, man. Hey, let's get it.
How you doing? A DoorDash for Liza.
Alright, let me go check on that for you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
She went to check on it already. Thank you.
Alright, so I've got the small Caesar salad, the rigatoni vodka, and the mushroom tagliatelle, and then I get the New York style right here. If you can just confirm that for me in there.
Yep.
Alright,
Thank
have a
you.
wonderful evening.
You too.
All right, family, we got us another order. Let's get this thing picked up. Pulling up on it right now. 11 bucks, 5 miles. We'll knock this out real quick. Stay close by this area. Hopefully get us something good right after this. Let's get it.
Yes, ma'am. Brianna. How you doing today? Yes, please.
You alright tonight?
Oh yeah, I ain't gonna complain. What time do y'all close?
5 minutes.
Oh, sorry.
There you go, bud.
All right, thank you.
Save on your
All right,
thank you.
thank you. You have a good night. DoorDash for Gabby. Thank you. DoorDash for Chintan. Chintan. I appreciate it. All right. Dang, it's raining. There it goes. This stuff. Smell. Let's get it.
Good night. How you doing tonight? Good, good. All right, my pleasure. You have a good night. All right, family. That's it. The rain did die down a little bit, but I'm good. I done came all the way out of my way. I'm good. We're calling it a night right now. I don't think it's done raining. I think it just stopped for the moment. We're a little bit short of that 1,000 for the week. It kind of sucks a little bit, but I did that to myself. I didn't dash at all yesterday, and then I didn't do too much today. But it's cool though. I'm not mad. Appreciate y'all for riding with me as always. Thank y'all for supporting the channel. Thank y'all for watching the videos and liking the videos, all that good stuff. But that's it for this shift, man. Like I always say, man, you could be anything in this world that you want to be. Just don't be ungrateful. And whatever it is that you decide to be the best at it. It's your boy, Bull City Dasher, and I will most definitely catch y'all in the next one. Peace.